In this video, we will be demonstrating the shear force in a beam experiment, the STS3, from the next generation structures range of teaching equipment from TecQuipment. In the real world, most structures use some form of a beam. They form the floors and ceilings of buildings or the decks of bridges. They could also form the main parts of industrial cranes or other large machines. Engineers need to be able to predict how a beam will behave in a structure they have designed so that they can be confident that it will do its job. The shear force in a beam experiment helps the understanding of how loads affect the shear force in a beam. Let's take a closer look around the apparatus. Starting with the main parts of the apparatus, we have the beam held in place with two supports. The left-hand support holds the beam in bearing, allowing rotation as a pin support. It also holds the small circuit board that connects to the interface hub for computer display and data acquisition. The right-hand support holds the beam in a bearing, allowing rotation and translation, acting as a roller support. On the beam, we have a load cell at the cut at mid-span of the beam, measuring the shear force due to the load. 4 mass hangers with 50 20-gram masses can be placed on the 14 hangers. The 2 UDL bars can be placed along the beam. The shear force in a beam experiment fits onto the structure's platform base, which is sold separately, along with the interface hub of the structure's platform for computer display and data acquisition of the experiment. By using the shear force in a beam experiment, students can learn about the shear force at the cut due to varying single point load, moving single point load, a uniformly distributed load, and influence lines and superposition. Influence lines are useful tools for engineers to visualize how a load or loads on a structure will affect the structure in terms of maximum value of force or other variables caused by the loads. This is one of many engineering teaching apparatuses available from TecQuipment's next generation structures range. For more information about the shear force in a beam experiment, click on the links below. If you found this video useful, remember to like and subscribe to the TecQuipment YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching.